here we have a whole pile of kittens in a photocube. I originally bought this photocube so that I could take pictures of them. Didn't really look at the dimensions when I ordered it from eBay. You could fit a small Labrador in there, but never mind. It's proved useful on occasion. Not especially useful for kittens. The only way of getting a good photo of a kitten in a photocube is to take every other kitten in the house and lock them in another room, because they love it. And much less a photocube and much more an exciting kitten playground. There's half of them on the inside, attacking those who are on the outside, half of them walking around the outside trying to find something to pounce on. We've got Gothmog going past, Xerxes now in the picture. Xerxes! Oh, hello Watts. This would be Gothmog. Yes, hello. Flameboy at the back. And then a Blackfire trying to desperately kill somebody on the other side. Is it Ron? Hey Ron! This is Watts and Nicodemus. Nicodemus is currently on the outside, Watts on the inside, but I challenge you to keep track of that pair, since I think they're actually identical twins from a split egg. There's Jack's in the picture. Oh, and just for good measure, Mum's come along. One of the wandering milk bars. Oh. I'm just going to push this up a bit because they're trying to collapse it again. They do collapse it fairly regularly, which is a fun game all in itself, as then you've got kittens trapped on the inside. They're not trapped in the photocube in any way. This kind of looks like desperate attempts to escape, but, you know, they can get in and out as they like. There's Ron. Oh, there's Mandy. Mandy! Hey, pretty. Hello. Hi. Oh. For any of the owners watching this, it's like playing that card game where you try and keep your eye on the Queen of Hearts, trying to keep an eye on your own kitten, I bet. Gothmog and Xerxes have wandered off to have a morning toilet. Oh, no, don't do that. Blackfire. This, by the way, is Nicodemus still in the picture. Whee! Yes, these are genetically modified kittens, modified with springs in their butts. See, all of the other red boys are over having, yes, more, as I said, morning toilets. I'm sure they'll be back. Don't ask me what they're leaping at when they do these mad leaps for the ceiling. Oh, hello, Trouble. Here's Cookie. Mandy, what are you doing? Hello, Blackfire. Good morning, Licky. Hello. Neither of the phoenixes are here at the moment. They're currently busy stuffing their faces with breakfast. It is only 7 o'clock in the morning. Oh, Mandy, yeah, you chew Flameboy's tail. It's the process known as ginger subjugation. And Blackfire's back. Oh, you don't want to be up there. Right, well. Are we all done? I think we're all done. Yeah, I know you lot aren't all done. You won't be all done for half an hour yet, but I can't upload that much video and people would get bored.